All right, guys, this is your reading overview for the week. We are in week 36. That's the week of May 17th through May 21st. So we're actually going to focus on some social studies this week in reading. I know that in the past it's been kind of incorporated into like alternating with science, but we're going to focus on that this week in reading. And let's look at Monday's folder. So you'll need to log in through your single sign-on and locate that Social Studies Weekly app, and you're going to open up and week 7 should be available. So throughout the week, I've given you directions and even pictures. You can't click to access anything here. I'm just showing you just so you are aware of which section to read. So right here you can see highlighted in green, you are going to read the section Finding Florida. You're going to learn a little bit more about Ponce de Leon and a little bit about some of these Spanish explorers that came to Florida. Then you are going to watch the video. It's located right here in the upper corner as shown in this picture. After that, you will find a text. It's located right down here that'll give you more information about this explorer. And then you have some multiple choice questions that come from this text. Tuesday is going to follow a very similar structure. I know that again, we've talked about it a little bit in our meetings, but we will not be meeting in the mornings as a group. I've mentioned to you guys a couple times that I have to read with each of you to complete those Jan Richardson assessments. So hopefully by now you've signed up for a time that will work. That was sent out Friday to you guys. So again, not meeting in the mornings. You guys are kind of on your own with reading this week. So on Tuesday, you're going to open up again to week 7, and this time you are reading this section. So it's kind of down here in the bottom. We've skipped several sections about why Spanish sent these explorers to Florida. After you read through that section, you're going to watch this video. Then you have a short article here learning more about this Spanish explorer and some multiple choice questions that go along with that text. Wednesday and Thursday, you do not have any additional assignments due to FSA testing. And on Friday, you're going to open up again to week 7. This time you are clicking on this section, Spanish Explorers, where you will be introduced to 3 explorers, 2 of which you've already learned a little bit about. So after you read that section, you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to read this text right here about Hernando de Soto, and then there are some multiple choice questions that go along with this text. That is your week in reading. Let me know if you have any questions.